For Google Science Fair, I decided to research how air pressure within footballs directly affects the football's distance and overall quality. The reason why I've done this is because of the Deflategate, which was one team within the NFL deflated their footballs, and it gave them an unfair advantage. So, what I wanted to do, or what I did do, was find out which air pressure within a good amount. So, from 13 psi to 9 psi is what I did. You could always go down lower or higher if needed, but what I did to make sure it was fair and safe is I took 15 different I took the three different air pressures, threw the ball 5 times for each, and got a total of 15 throws. Now, what I did was I threw those first 15 throws with a normal to medium force, making it travel fast enough, but also far enough for it to be correct. Now, what I did after that was I did 3 more throws, and I put all the force I could into it, and from this I got up to 47 yards from the 36 I had before. Now, what this means is, so the force is an uncontrolled variable that could mess with my data, but since what I've done, it will not affect it as much. But essentially, what I have done is I've taken 15 throws and split them into 3 different groups. One was 9 psi, one was 11 psi, and one was 13 psi. The NFL regulation states that a football must be from 12.5 psi to 13.5 psi. What I found out is that the 9 psi was easily the best, with 47 yards thrown with full force and averaging around 35.2 yards for all 5 throws. This is higher than the other 2, significantly higher than 13, and fairly higher than 11. What this pretty much means is that as the ball's PSI goes down, it becomes more effective and better at going a far distance, which means that as you pump a ball up, or as you deflate a ball, you gain an advantage. So essentially what I want to do is find a common ground for the PSI in footballs. What this will do is it will make the NFL's rules on PSI in the footballs more fair and less easy to abuse. What I think is the best for the NFL to do, what I would say 11.5 psi to 12.5 psi. This will provide a good common ground, like a good mixture of the less weight from the 9 psi, but also the difficulty of the 13 psi, which makes the game more interesting.